Good evening. This is Angelia Weiss, Associate Planner with Long Range Planning for the Record. This presentation is regarding the utilities element of the 2024 Comprehensive Plan Update. If any members of the public have questions regarding this element or presentation, I can be reached by phone at 425-430-7312 or by email at aweihs@rentonwa.gov. The State Growth Management Act requires cities, including Renton, to implement a comprehensive plan that includes a utilities element as a mandatory element. The utilities element must consist of the general location, proposed location, and capacity of all existing and proposed utilities, including but not limited to electrical, telecommunications, and natural gas systems. Under the Growth Management Act, levels of utility service must support planned land use patterns and growth. Furthermore, functional plans for each utility system must also accommodate projected growth within their respective service areas. The utilities element guides future utility service within Renton's planning area and ensures adequate services will be available to support existing and future development. The goals and policies of the utilities element are designed to promote sustainable, reliable, and cost-effective utility service. The City of Renton provides water, wastewater, and surface water utility services to Renton residents, as well as some areas outside of the city boundaries, but located within the Renton water and wastewater service area boundaries. The city contracts with a private hauler for solid waste and recycling collection and coordinates with King County to use regional solid waste disposal facilities. Several non-city utility providers, such as a water and sewer districts, also operate within Renton. These non-city utilities provide water and sewer service for annexed and developed areas located within their established district boundaries. Some non-city utilities include power, natural gas, and telecommunications, such as cable television, internet, wired telephone, and cellular services. As part of the utilities element update, the draft goals and policies are being developed in cooperation with Renton Public Works staff. Some key issues being addressed as part of this update include ensuring consistency with land use element growth assumptions, as well as the King County countywide planning policies. Ensuring consistency with the Department of Commerce checklist. This checklist is intended to help counties that are fully planning under the Growth Management Act conduct the periodic review and update of their comprehensive plans. The update ensures consistency with the Puget Sound Regional Council Vision 2050 checklist. Vision 2050 is a plan developed by the region's cities, counties, tribes, ports, agencies, businesses, and communities to prepare for population growth anticipated by 2050. The update will also promote affordable and equitable access of services. It will include coordination with non-city water and sewer providers operating within Renton. And lastly, the update will include general language edits for clarity. To comply with state law, the update will include updated general locations, and capacity of all existing and proposed utilities. The update will also reflect the climate element goals and policies. This may include goals related to the clean economy strategy that promote increasing waste diversion from landfill and promote sustainable consumption and reduction of waste generation. To comply with the Puget Sound Regional Council Vision 2050, the update will include consideration and impacts of climate change in order to support sustainable resource management and provide utility services in an environmentally responsible and sustainable manner. The update will also promote affordable and equitable access of public services, including drinking water and telecommunication infrastructure, to provide access to all communities, especially underserved communities. To comply with the King County countywide planning policies, the update will include the provision of telecommunication infrastructure with a focus on broadband service to businesses and households of all income levels. This internet service is not considered an essential public utility for health and safety, but is a critical component of opportunity. Internet access at reliable and sufficient speeds is necessary for broad economic vitality and equitable access to information, goods, and services. For these reasons, King County countywide policies emphasize planning for the equitable provision of telecommunication infrastructure to support internet access to businesses and to households of all income levels with a focus on underserved areas. As part of the update, several existing plans will be referenced within the proposed utilities element. These plans include the City of Renton Comprehensive Water System Plan, the Long Range Wastewater Management Plan, the King County Comprehensive Solid Waste Management Plan, and the Renton Clean Economy Strategy 2.0. There are several goals that we are seeking to address as part of this update. In addition to compliance with state, regional, and county requirements regarding growth targets and climate change goals, some of the goals of this update include that we maintain the same page numbers of the element, that we swap out and update images and graphs, and that we rely on the adopted separate plans, such as the Water System Plan and Long Range Wastewater Management Plan, which provide the detailed discussions regarding their respective categories. Staff will continue to review and refine the proposed element draft and will coordinate with Commerce and a consultant as part of that effort. Some of the next steps will also include public outreach and engagement. As part of public outreach, the element draft will be posted on the Comprehensive Plan public website. This website can be found at rentonwa.gov/comprehensive plan. Once again, that is rentonwa.gov/comprehensive plan. In addition, all parties of record will be kept updated throughout this entire process. Once again, if you have any questions following this presentation, I can be reached by phone at 425-430-7312 and by email at aweihs@rentonwa.gov. Hope you have a wonderful day and thank you for listening to this presentation. Thank you. Bye.